Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. My name is Lina, and I want to tell you about someone very important in my life, my younger brother, Jack. Jack is 8 years old, and he is full of energy. He is funny, noisy, playful, and sometimes a little bit naughty, but he is also sweet, caring, and very cute. So, today I want to share some stories about him. Let's start with food because Jack loves food so much. He wakes up thinking about food and he goes to sleep thinking about food. Every morning I ask him, Jack, what do you want for breakfast? He always says, something big, please. One day, I made him a big bowl of noodles. He finished it in 5 minutes. I asked, Jack, are you full now? He said, no, I think my stomach is lonely. It needs more friends. So he ate 2 eggs, a banana, and some bread. After all that, he looked at me and said, Lina, I'm still a growing boy. Sometimes I think he is growing sideways. And oh, if I leave my food on the table for even 1 minute, Jack becomes a little food thief. One time, I left my sandwich for just a moment. When I came back, it was gone. Jack was sitting in the corner, smiling with crumbs on his face. He said, Oh, was that yours? Yes, Jack, it was mine. But that is my brother. Jack doesn't just like food, he also loves soda. Too much. I always tell him, Jack, please drink water. Water is healthy. He always answers, Yes, Lina, I understand. But the next time I check the fridge, 1 more soda bottle is missing. One time I asked, Jack, how many sodas did you drink today? He looked up at the ceiling, thinking very hard. Then he said, maybe 1 or 2 or maybe more. I said, Jack, please be honest. He said, okay, 3. But then he whispered, maybe 4? I told him, you need to drink more water. He smiled and said, water is sad, soda is happy. I don't know where he gets these ideas, but they always make me laugh. That is my brother. Jack is very playful, sometimes too playful. He jumps, runs, climbs, spins, everything. Every day is an adventure for him. Last week, he told me, Lina, I am training to be a ninja. Then he put pillows on the floor and he started jumping from one to another. He shouted, Hi-ya! Ha! Ninja Jack! After 2 minutes, he slipped, fell on the sofa, and said, Okay, ninjas need rest. I laughed so much. But Jack didn't give up. He stood up again and said, This time I will be careful. Then he fell again. That is my brother. Now, let's talk about Jack's room. His room is, how can I say this nicely? A beautiful disaster. Toys everywhere, books on the floor, clothes on the bed, snacks on the desk. Sometimes I think his room is alive. Every time I clean it, the mess comes back the next day. When I ask him, "Jack, can you please clean your room?" he says, "Yes, Lina, I will do it today." But today becomes tonight, then tonight becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes next week. If I open his closet, sometimes things fall out, and Jack says, "That's not a mess, that's a surprise." Yes, a surprise I do not want. But that is my brother. I want Jack to be healthy, so I tell him, "Jack, let's do a little exercise." He always says, "I am strong already." But when he tries to do push-ups, he goes down and he stays down. He says, "Lina, the floor is too strong." I say, "No, Jack, your arms are too weak." He says, "No, Lina, my arms are sleeping." I say, "Wake them up." He says, "No, they said no." I don't know how his arms talk, but okay, Jack. Then he tries sit-ups. He goes up once, and then he falls back and says, "Oof, exercise is dangerous." That is my brother. When we go to the park, Jack always walks slowly. I ask, "Jack, why are you so slow today?" He says, "I am saving my energy." I ask, "For what?" He says, "For eating later." Of course. On the way, he stops to look at every little thing: a rock, a leaf, an ant, a stick. He picks up a stick and says, "This is my magic stick." He picks up a leaf and says, "This is my golden leaf." He picks up a pebble and says, "This is my lucky stone." Then his pockets become full of treasures, and he says, "Lina, my pockets are heavy." I wonder why, Jack. I wonder why. Jack is cute, but he is also a little troublemaker. He likes to poke me when I am busy. He likes to hide my pen when I am working. And he likes to eat my snacks, all of them. One time I told him, "Jack, please stop bothering me. I am working." He said, "Yes, Lina, I will be very quiet." 5 seconds later, poke! I looked at him and said, "Jack?" He said, "What? I didn't do anything." Then he poked me again and laughed. I wanted to be angry, but his smile is too cute. That is my brother. But even with all the noise, and the mess, and the soda, and the snacks, Jack has a very sweet heart. When I feel sad, he sits next to me quietly. When I am tired, he brings me his favorite toy and says, "You can hold this. It makes me happy." When I am busy, he brings me water and says, "Here, Lina, drink this. It is good for you." He is young, but he knows how to care. That is my brother. Jack is also very funny at school. His teacher told me that he talks a lot in class. He always raises his hand and says, "I have a question." But sometimes he doesn't actually have a question. He just wants to talk. The teacher said he tries to help everyone, but sometimes he helps too much, like when he tries to answer other students' questions, or when he tries to clean the whiteboard while the teacher is still writing. Jack's heart is big, maybe too big sometimes. That is my brother. Jack and homework. That is a long story. When I tell him, "Jack, please do your homework," he says, "Yes, Lina, I will start now." But after 1 minute, he needs a snack. Then he needs water. Then he needs to stretch. Then he needs to check the window. Then he needs to pet the cat. Then he says, "Lina, homework is too hard." I say, "You didn't even start." He says, "I know." That is my brother. At night, I sometimes read Jack a bedtime story. He says, "Lina, please read slowly." But when I read slowly, he says, "No, Lina, read fast. I want to know what happens." Then, when the story gets exciting, he sits up and says, "Wait, one more story, please." I say, "Jack, it is bedtime." He says, "Just one more, I promise." After one more story, he says, "Okay, last one." After that, "Okay, really last one." He is very good at making last ones longer. That is my brother. So yes, Jack is loud. Jack is messy. Jack is playful. Jack eats too much. Jack talks too much. Jack drinks too much soda. But Jack is also sweet, funny, loving, and full of life. He is not perfect, but he is my brother, and I love him with all my heart. Thank you for watching my story about my younger brother, Jack. If you enjoyed this video and learned some new English, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps this channel grow, and I will make more fun English lessons for you.